Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM tools, which is Salesforce and Zoho CRM. So let's quickly dive into it. Salesforce is the powerhouse choice if you need enterprise level automation, advanced AI, deep customization, and endless integration. It's incredibly scalable and perfect for complex sales teams, but it's also expensive, harder to set up, and can feel overwhelming for smaller business. Zoho CRM, on the other hand, deliver a clean, user-friendly experience with strong automation, great pricing, and even a free plan, making it ideal for setup and growing teams. The trade-off is that Zoho isn't as powerful for large enterprise workflow, and its advanced features can feel a bit lighter than Salesforce. But for most small and mid-sized teams, Zoho offer a better value. So if you need enterprise muscle, just choose Salesforce, or if you want affordability, simplicity, and a solid features that just work perfectly for you, go with Zoho CRM as the smarter pick. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.